Welcome back to the Link Technologies YouTube channel. Today we're taking a closer look at the MikroTik wAP AC LTE6 kit, a small weatherproof access point that packs serious connectivity power. The wAP AC LTE6 kit features a Cat6 LTE modem, capable of download speeds up to 300 megabits per second, giving you faster streaming, smoother browsing, and better performance even in crowded networks. Carrier aggregation allows the device to use multiple LTE bands simultaneously, improving responsiveness in busy areas and keeping you connected in rural locations with weaker signals. With 2 gigabit Ethernet ports and a micro SIM slot, the wAP AC LTE6 kit can serve as a wired router with LTE backup, giving you flexible connectivity wherever you need it. It is built to handle almost any environment, withstanding temperatures from -30 degrees Celsius to 60 degrees Celsius, and can be mounted on walls, ceilings, or poles indoors or outdoors. Dual-band Wi-Fi delivers fast and reliable wireless connections, while the rugged, weatherproof design ensures you stay online no matter the conditions. If you're looking for a compact, tough, and versatile device to keep your network connected anywhere, the MikroTik wAP AC LTE6 kit is worth checking out. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more unboxing and product spotlights from Link Technologies Incorporated.